Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about 5-membered heterocyclic ring system containing 2 heteroatoms. In today's lecture we will discuss about 6-membered heterocyclic ring. So pyridine is a 6-membered heterocyclic ring system containing nitrogen as heteroatom. Pyridine is a liquid of characteristic order and boils at 115 degrees Celsius. As you can see the structure of pyridine, it contains nitrogen at first position. Pyridine nucleus is present in a number of natural alkaloids such as nicotine, atropine and vitamins such as nicotinic acid and vitamin B6 etc. Now synthesis, how we will synthesize pyridine in laboratory. Pyridine is present in light oil fractions of coal tar distillation. The light oil fraction is treated with dilute sulfuric acid. This dissolved basic substances including pyridine. The acid layer is isolated, neutralized and fractionated several times to get pure pyridine. Now second method, pyridine is also prepared by passing a mixture of acetylene and HCN through a red hot tube. As you can see in this reaction, acetylene in the presence of HCN when treated in red hot tube forms pyridine. Now next synthesis is Hand's synthesis. This method involves condensation of 2 moles of a beta dicarbonyl compound with 1 mole of aldehyde and ammonia. It is useful method for preparation of pyridine derivative. As you can see in this reaction, ethyl acetoacetate when treated with ammonia and formaldehyde, it forms a 2,4,6 trimethylpyridine. Now what are different reactions of pyridine? First is basicity. Pyridine is basic in nature and reacts with acid to form salt. The basicity of pyridine is due to its availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom. Now pyridine is a much weaker base than alkylamine because the lone pair of electron of nitrogen are present in sp2 hybrid orbitals instead of sp3 hybrid orbitals. Consequently, the lone pair is more tightly held and is less available for protonation due to more S character of pyridine nitrogen. As you can see in this reaction, pyridine nitrogen contains lone pair of electron which is more tightly held in this ring system, but in aliphatic compound it is sp3 hybridized. In aromatic compound it is sp2 hybridized, so it is less available for protonation. Now electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of pyridine. Pyridine undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions under drastic conditions. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of pyridine is preferred at position C3, then C2 and C4. This is due to the high availability of carbocation formed by the attack of electrophile at C3. Now mechanism of this electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution of pyridine involves through the intermediate formation of carbocation. It involves the following steps. Number 1, as you can see in this reaction, first step is generation of electrophile. As you can see, the YZ compound, when Y positive is generated as electrophile and Z negative is removed. Now attachment of electrophile to aromatic ring to form intermediate cation. Pyridine when treated with this electrophile Y positive, it is a slow process for the formation of carbocation. Now elimination of proton from carbocation to form substituted product. Carbocation, when proton is removed from the carbocation, this reaction is fast reaction and the substituted product of pyridine is formed. It occurs at position 2. These are some of the examples of electrophilic aromatic substitution of pyridine. Pyridine on treated with fuming H2SO4 mercuric sulfate and upon sulfonation forms pyridine 3-sulfonic acid. Pyridine on reaction with KNO3 and H2SO4. Iron at 300 degrees centigrade upon nitration converted into 3-nitropyridine. Pyridine upon bromination with bromine at 300 degrees centigrade forms 3-bromopyridine. Pyridine on chlorination with chlorine and AlCl3 forms 3-chloropyridine. Next is nucleophilic aromatic substitution. As you can see, pyridine undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. The electron density at the carbon atom of pyridine is decreased due to its electron withdrawal by nitrogen. So substitution usually occur at 2 and 4 position, but 2 is more preferred position than position 4. As you can see in this reaction, pyridine upon treatment with sodamide and liquid ammonia upon heating forms 2-aminopyridine. Pyridine with potassium hydroxide form 2-hydroxypyridine. Pyridine with butyl lithium forms N-butylpyridine. A nucleophilic attack of the pyridine nucleus occurs at position 2 is preferred than position 4 due to more stabilized intermediate ion. As you can see in these reactions, the intermediate formed by the at 2 position is more stable than intermediate formed at the 3rd position. So it is more preferred. 2nd position is more preferred for nucleophilic substitution. Now what are the different uses of pyridine? Pyridine act as a solvent. Pyridine act as a catalyst in many organic reactions for denaturing alcohols and in the preparation of certain drugs. We will discuss in the next slide. Now what are different medicinal compounds which we can synthesize from pyridine? First is isoniazid. It is a hydrazide of isonicotinic acid. Isoniazid, it is an anti-tubercular drug. It is effective against pulmonary and extrapulmonary tuberculosis. You can see the structure of isoniazid. Next is nicotinamide. Chemically, nicotinamide is N-dihethylpyridine 3-carboxamide. It is used in the treatment of central nervous system depression caused by the drugs. Nicotinamide is also used as respiratory stimulant. You can see the structure of nicotinamide. Now nicotinic acid. Pyridine 3-carboxylic acid is nicotinic acid. Nicotinic acid is available as biologically active amide derivative nicotinamide. Nicotinamide exists in humans and animals tissues as coenzyme NAD and NADP. Nicotinic acid is essential for the normal functioning of skin, intestinal tract and nervous system. You can see the structure of nicotinic acid. Now next is mepyramine. Mepyramine is N-para-anisile N2-pyridylamino ethyl diethylamine. It is used for the symptomatic relief of hypersensitivity reaction and in pruritic skin disorders. Mepyramine is common ingredient of cough and cold formulations. Now you can see the structure of this mepyramine. Now last is benzhexol. Benzhexol is an amino alcohol possessing of a tertiary hydroxyl group. It is a 1-chlorohexyl 1-phenyl 3-piperidino-propane 1-ol. Benzhexol is used in the treatment of Parkinsonism. You can see the structure of benzhexol. It contains piperidine ring. So this is all about pyridine nucleus. Thanks.